Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make a pie chart in Microsoft Excel. So firstly select cells, now insert. Now here you will see this pie symbol, click on it and select 2D, 3D and any style which you like, just select it. So you will see easily you can create this pie chart. Now here guys you can make changes as you need. You can change size. Once you click on this corner, you can change style. In the design tab, you can change color combination. Also guys, you can edit this chart here. Now click anyway. So these changes will reflect here. You can change chart title. So this is the basic way to create a chart in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel. This is the pie chart and you want to create another chart. So check out the description videos.